Hi there, Mr. Lees here, doing the higher paper from 2021, paper 1, and we're on question 6. You have two functions, f and g, are defined on the set of real numbers by f of x. The function f given in terms of x is 2x plus 5, and g of x, the function g, given again in terms of x, is x squared take 2x. So find an expression for f of g of x, and find an expression for g of f of x. And then we have to express g of f of x take away f of g of x in the form a times x plus b squared plus c. So let's just get to it. Quite a lot going on in this sum here. So let's get going. So just writing down the two functions that I mentioned earlier on. So part A, they wanted f of g of x. So they want you to put function g through f. So there's function f, and what is g of x? It's x squared take 2x. Now what does function f want you to do to whatever's going in? You have to times it by 2 and then add 5. So what's going in? You have 2 times x squared take 2x plus 5. Now that is the final answer according to the SQA. I will just finish it off a little bit more because I know I'll need it. So we have 2x squared take 4x plus 5. So that's my final answer, but that one is perfectly okay to the SQA. Then for part B, they want g of f of x. So that's g of, what's f of x again? 2x plus 5. And what does function g want you to do? Whatever's going in, you have to square it and take away 2x. So what's going in? 2x plus 5. So we have 2x plus 5 squared, take away 2 times 2x plus 5. Again, that's perfectly okay as a final answer for the SQA. I'm going to multiply it out because I know I will need to. 2x plus 5 squared is 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. Take away 2 times 2x is take away 4x. Take away 2 times plus 5 is take away 10. And this all tidies up to 4x squared plus 16x plus 15. So that's my final answer. But as I said, that one there is perfectly okay for the SQA. Okay, part C needs a bit more working than I've got here, so I'm just going to do it on a completely new page. So there's my g of f of x that I got just earlier on, and there's my f of g of x that I got just a wee minute ago. So let's work out what g of f of x take away f of g of x is going to be. So we have 4x squared plus 16x plus 15, take away, and because f of g of x has got a few elements to it, it must be in a bracket. So it's take away, and then we write down the 2x squared take 4x plus 5. So what does a minus do? We have minus 2x squared, minus is a plus 4x, and minus plus is a minus. So this is now going to be tidied up, and that gives 2x squared plus 20x plus 10. And remember, they want to have this in the form a times x plus b squared plus c. And the easiest way to make this comparison is to multiply this all out and see what you get. So we have a times, now what is x plus b squared? Well, that's x squared plus 2 lots of bx plus b squared. So you square that out, this is what you get. We still have to multiply it by a. So we have ax squared plus 2abx plus ab squared plus c, don't forget the plus c. So that is that all written out in a big long equation there, so polynomial thing. So ax squared, so comparing things, a has to be 2 because there's x squared and there's x squared, so a has to be 2. 2ab is the coefficient of x, so is 20. So 2ab has to be 20. We know that a is 2, so 2 times 2 is 4, times b gives 20, so b has to be 5. Then we have ab squared plus c has to equal 10, this bit here at the end, so we've got 2, 20, 10 all being used here. So we know that a is 2 and we know that b is 5. So 2 times 5 squared plus c gives you 10. 5 squared is 25, times 2 gives you 50. So 50 plus c is 10, so c has to be minus 40. So we've now got a, b, and c. So g of f of x, take away f of g of x, is 2 bracket x plus 5 squared, take away 40. And there's your final answer.